quick video. Mk7 2.2 Euro 4 engine, and what's happened is I've seen it twice now. So this valve spring has snapped. Second time I've seen it happen. So make a tool that bolts to that, compresses it down, take the collets out, replace the spring. But a lot of symptoms is it looks like an injector's gone, so you don't. So there's the collet's been removed, and that's the tool. I'll just quickly made up, so you can compress that down. We'll bear in mind the piston's really high up, so the valve can't drop. So there's no danger there. You can see the broken spring. Just try and get it out. Now, new spring will go on, we'll be well away.